everyone, welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 85 for June 27th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. You know that feeling when you discover an old document tucked away somewhere, only to find the writing has faded beyond recognition over time. Researchers just used AI to recover a lost passage from an ancient scroll that had been buried and damaged for 2,000 years. The text had crumbled so badly that no human eye could make out the letters anymore. The AI looked at tiny remaining patterns in the fragments and predicted what words and sentences used to be there. One recovered line mentions people who strained themselves to the utmost through research and learning to gain practical wisdom. Think of the process like assembling a giant jigsaw puzzle where most pieces are missing and the ones left are badly faded. The AI does not guess at random. It has studied millions of other ancient writings first, so it understands how words and ideas typically connect. That knowledge lets it fill in the blanks with real accuracy instead of wild invention. History stays locked away without tools like this, but the same method could one day help libraries around the world unlock faded records that currently sit untouched. For anyone curious about the past, whether through school projects, family stories, or archaeology, this approach turns impossible documents into readable ones. On a personal level, it acts like a superpowered detective that spots clues invisible to regular eyes. If you have ever wished you could decipher a faded family letter or an old printed page, the idea scales up from there. You cannot try the exact scroll tool yet, but the same image and text approach works on everyday notes. Open the free version of Google's Gemini app on your phone, upload a photo of any messy handwritten note, and ask it to transcribe what it sees. Pay attention to how it handles incomplete or smudged sections. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive where we look under the hood. Today's concept comes from how AI creates brand new burger recipes from scratch instead of copying old ones. You know how when you are drawing with a friend and you both start with random dots on paper? First, you add a few broad strokes that hint at a burger bun shape. Then you refine the edges so the circle looks round instead of blurry. Next, you layer in details like sesame seeds or a patty until the whole picture sharpens. At each step, the drawing gets clearer because you remove noise and keep what looks right. Now picture the same process but with words instead of lines on a page. The AI begins with pure noise, like random letters scattered everywhere. It decides one tiny step at a time which word fits best in each position. It repeats the cleanup until the paragraph reads like a real recipe that no one wrote before. That repeated cleanup is how a diffusion model invents fresh burgers without ever copying an existing menu. The same step-by-step trick works for pictures, music, or even code once you see it as starting messy and getting cleaner. The result stops feeling like magic and starts feeling like a really patient artist working beside you. A model trained only on burger recipes figured out the Big Mac on its own, and then created fresh combinations aimed at being extra tasty, more sustainable, or healthier. It didn't copy existing menus. Instead, it explored what makes a burger good and invented new ones. This shows how AI can help with creative hobbies like cooking, game design, or even writing stories. Anyone who likes food or experimenting in the kitchen should try playing with similar creative tools. Head to the free Chatgpt website, start a new chat, and type this exact line. Act as a burger chef and invent 3 brand new burgers optimized for maximum deliciousness using only common ingredients. Ask it to explain why each one works, then tweak the prompt to focus on vegetarian options or low-cost ingredients next. You will see how the model builds ideas from patterns it learned rather than pulling finished recipes from a list. Another interesting update involves realistic AI pictures showing up in published science journals. Some generated images look so convincing that they can mislead readers and hurt trust in research. Journals are adding extra checks because the problem has grown large enough to notice. It serves as a reminder that not everything you see online came from a human with a camera. To practice spotting the difference yourself, go to the free Bing image creator at bing.com/images/create. Type a simple prompt like a scientist looking through a microscope in a lab, Compare the results side by side with a real photo from a news site and notice which small details look slightly off. In Quick Bits this week, ByteDance released an 8 billion parameter model called ILLADA. The system generates text through an approach that differs from the methods used in Chatgpt style systems. Despite the new method, the model reaches performance levels that align with certain leading models when evaluated on basic tests. Its results demonstrate that multiple routes exist for constructing capable AI tools. The company selected a diffusion-based design for handling language tasks. Overall, the launch underscores continued variety in techniques for creating useful AI. OpenAI's newest model went through hundreds of thousands of GPU hours of testing, plus human red teaming before release. The evaluation process targeted prevention of cyber misuse and repeated harmful behavior. Extensive checks occurred as models increase in capability. The effort combined automated runs with direct human review sessions. Focus remained on reducing risks tied to more advanced systems. Results from the testing informed final adjustments prior to public availability. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts on tech, science, and markets. Each one a short, sharp briefing you can finish on the commute. If today earned its place in your feed, here's your next listen. Tesla Shorts Time, your daily deep dive into everything Tesla. Find every show free at naranetwork.com. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.